So today we are about to make the popular Ghana Jollof, the one that we've been, fighting over.
Sure.
So today I'm going to take my sister from Nigeria on the recipes that we use in Ghana to prepare our tasty jollof. So
Sure.
come along with us as we embark on this exciting journey. So for our ingredients, of course, we are going to need, for our tomato mix, we'll need our red bell peppers, our tomatoes, our basil, and then our fresh coriander. In fact, all of them must be fresh. And then for the spice in our tomato mix, we'll need our red scotch bonnet pepper or a habanero pepper. The reason why we are using two is that this is very hot and I bet you don't want to cry. And so for our onion mix, we'll be needing our green bell peppers, our spring onion, our ginger, our garlic, our carrots for extra flavors, our onion, and then our scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. And then for our seasoning, we'll be needing our smoked paprika. When it comes to jollof, we really need our smoked paprika. We'll be needing our curry powder, of course, our black pepper, our white pepper, our stew mix. You can go with anyone that you have. And our jollof mix, our Remi chicken seasoning, and then our powdered pepper, and of course our bay leaf and rosemary isn't left out. We are going to blend this together with our onion mix, and so our oil is also set aside, and we are using the popular jasmine rice. Okay, so come along with me as we do this. Our onion mix is nicely chopped, and we are going to add a little oil for it to be smoother before we blend it, and then a little water so that you wouldn't struggle blending it too much. So our onion mix is ready. So we are going to use this to season our meat and also our stew. So we are going to set it aside into a bowl. Then we proceed with blend a little oil to my tomato mix. We are going to roast our tomato ingredients for 10 minutes inside our oven before we proceed with our jollof. This is our blended onion mix. We are going to use some for our meats. We are our bouillon seasoning inside our popular Remi mix, our salt, and then I'm going to stir. Okay, so we are going to steam our meat for at least 20 minutes. Tomato mix is nicely roasted, as you can see, and so we are going to go ahead and blend everything. So we are checking on our meat. I think it's almost done. Okay, so we'll cover it for at least 5 minutes.
So guys, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to consider liking it, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more of this. We are frying our turkey, so we'll be using the same oil to fry our tomato paste.
Okay, so we are about to prepare our stew, our jollof stew. So we are going to use our onion. You know, jollof needs a lot of onions, so we are going to season our oil with onions, onion mix inside my oil. When it comes to jollof, you have to fry your stew, okay, so that you get a very nice flavor or taste for your jollof rice. So we are frying our onion mix in the oil for 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, that will be okay. So we'll be frying this before we add our tomato paste. Yeah, paste to the onion mix. Since it has fried to my satisfaction, and some people believe that tomato paste gives color to the jollof rice. Well, I don't know about that though, but all I know is that I need enough for my stew. I'm stirring my stew so that I wouldn't get bent under, so that I wouldn't get any sour taste in my jollof rice. So I'm stirring and letting my tomato paste and the onion mix fry perfectly for a perfect jollof stew. Okay. So With this, we are certain that our tomato mix and our onion mix is well fried inside the oil. So we are adding our tomato mix. So we are stirring our tomato mix all together and wait for it to cook before we add our seasoning. Curry powder. I'm mixing all my seasoning into one container. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So I'm adding my rice to my stew, and I'm going to stir. Okay, so in this recipe, I'm not going to use water. I'm only using my turkey stock, the stock I use for my meat. So I'm adding it to my rice. So I've added my turkey stock to my rice and I'm stirring it so that I'll have an even consistency. So I'm going to cover this for it to cook. I'm not going to really stir it because if you stir it too much, you get the rice broken. So I'm covering this with my aluminum foil. Yeah, covering it and letting it cook with the steam. Jollof doesn't like plenty water, that's what some people don't know. And so they end up adding plenty water. So in this case, I'm only using my stock, and then I'm going to use my aluminum foil and let the steam cook it. So I only stir it maybe once, and then we'll leave it to cook. Then if we are going to add vegetables, then we add it and then stir it one more time. And then ta-da! Our jollof will be ready in a jiffy. So I'm going to stir my jollof one more time.
So guys, our Ghana Jollof is ready. Our chef did a great job. Though she complained that the paste is too much and it's too soft kind of, but let's see how it tastes. So I'm going to take a bite. You have to taste this. Oh my god. Ghana Jollof on point. That is the name of this food. Oh yeah. I'm going to definitely try making this myself. You did a good job. You did cook. Hey, talent for Ghanaians. Oh yeah. Guys, she did well. You know what, Chop? Oh yeah. Grab your spoon now. Are you shy?
I'm not a chef.
Are you shy?
Now she be chef.
You can't be shy.
I did well. Like,
I actually love this rice. I'm going to try this. She did a good job. You can add vegetables to yours. If you want carrots, sweet corn, peas, you can add anything you want to your rice. You can use it to take anything. We use turkey for this particular rice, but you can use chicken, any protein of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
bye.